My name is Moin Kazi from Civil Department. मेरे देश तेरी रंगत पे मैं कुर्बा, तेरे दामन में हर कोई रहता है। मेरी जिंदगी तेरे लिए ही है मेरे वतन, हर वक्त तू इस दिल में रहता है। मैं क्यों ना मनाऊं खुशी हर दम, क्योंकि मेरे हिंदुस्तान तुझसे ही है मेरी लगन। है मेरे हिंदुस्तान तुझ जैसा देश नहीं इस दुनिया में, तुझसे इतना प्यार कि तेरे लिए मरने को तैयार है हम हरदम। मोइन को मिला है सब कुछ इस वतन से, मिला है मोहब्बत का पैगाम वतन से। मेरी सारी जिंदगी तेरे लिए ही कुर्बा, ऐ वतन बहुत प्यार करते हैं तुझसे। और इकबाल ने भी कहा था, सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदू सिता हमारा, हम बुलबुले हैं इसके ये गुलसिता हमारा। और मजहब नहीं सिखाता आपस में बैर रखना, हिंदी है हम वतन से हिंदू सिता हमारा, हिंदू सिता हमारा।
Good morning all. Today we all gathered here to celebrate 74th Independence Day of our nation. As we all know that India got independence on 15th of August 1947 from the British rule. After independence, we got all the fundamental rights in our own nation, in our own motherland. We should be feel proud to be an Indian and admire our fortune that we took birth on an independent country. History of slave India reveals everything, that how our ancestors and forefathers had worked hard and suffered all the brutal behaviors of Britishers. We cannot even imagine by sitting here that how hard the independence was for the India from the Britishers. It took sacrifices of lives of many freedom fighters and several years of struggle. From 1857 to 1947, our great Indian freedom fighters struggled hard for the freedom at the end of their life. Now, after many years of independence, our country is on the right track of development. Our nation is a well-established democratic country all over the world. We should take an oath today of being highly responsible and well-educated citizens of the country. We should sincerely perform our duty and do hard work to get the goal. Till then, a very happy Independence Day to one and all, and have a great day.
Hello everyone, I am Dipanjali Ukil from Tulsiramji Gaikwad Patil College of Engineering and Technology, studying in CSE third year. Today, I am here to wish everyone a very happy Independence Day. Independence Day is celebrated as the national festival of our country. This day is marked as the anniversary of national independence from British Empire on 15th August 1947. This is the most auspicious day for the people of our country because India became independent after lots of hardships and sacrifices of our brave freedom fighters. We are born in an independent country, so probably we know very little about the insults of being governed by some foreign power. When we go to different countries, we can see NRIs staying over there celebrating Independence Day with more excitement as compared to people celebrating it in our country. This is the emotion of being Indian. So today, let us salute the people who fought for the independence of our country. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Independence Day and a heartily good morning to all my dear patriots. My name is Alfisha Ansari from CSA department. One individual may die for an idea, but that idea will, after his death, incarnate itself in 1,000 lives. This quote by Netaji means that we are the human incarnation for that ideas that our ancestors have thought of. We must strive harder every day of our life for a better India. This is prosperous and equal to all its citizens. Independence Day is a festival when we celebrate our martyrs and the struggle of a long span of 200 years. India was British colony for 2 centuries. In this period, the nation underwent a lot of events which made our freedom fighters and anxious for a better future that we are witnessing today. The events being the massacre at Jallianwala Bagh, the faulty land settlement systems only benefiting the crown, racial discrimination and endless such flights. We have come so far that we have started taking it for granted, forgetting the true meaning of the day. This day shan't be just a day when we gather to raise the flag and eat sweets. One must keep in mind that the flag that we raise in our hand that we shall never let this down. The flag is also the heads that were beheaded in the time stretch. We shall not let them down either. No bite of the delicious sweet should be taken without thinking of those nights when our leaders fought empty stomach. Us as citizens, this country should always keep the past, present, and future glory alive in every moment of this day. We shall promise to keep the head of our farmers, soldiers, doctors, industrialists, and government bodies high, and we shall promise till perpetuity. Thank you. Jai Hind.
This year, we will be marking our 73rd Independence Day. We celebrate Independence Day as the national festival of India. The day marks the anniversary of national independence from the British Empire on 15th August 1947. Furthermore, it is the most auspicious day for the people of India because India becomes independent after lots of hardship and sacrifices of the brave Indian freedom fighters. The youth of country has the power to change the nation. By means, someone rightly said that the future hinges on to the young generations. Hence, it becomes our duty to serve the nation and make every possible efforts to make our country better. One of the main motives for celebrating Independence Day is to make the young generation aware of the sacrifices we have made to make this country a better place for them. Most noteworthy, it tells how our country got independence from the grasp of the Britishers and about sacrifices a freedom fighter has made for the country. India was once used to know Sone ki Chidiya. Let's take a note. We will do our best to make our India Sone ki Chidiya once again. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
मेरे आबाद रहे तू, वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू, मैं वतन मेरे वतन, वतन मेरे वतन, तुझ पे कोई गम की आँच आने नहीं दूँ, तुझ पे कोई गम की आँच आने नहीं दूँ, कुर्बान मेरी जान मुझ पे शान रहे तू, कुर्बान मेरी जान मुझ पे शान रहे तू, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन।
जब घायल हुआ हिमालय, खतरे में पड़ी आजादी, जब घायल हुआ हिमालय, खतरे में पड़ी आजादी, जब तक थी सांस लड़े वो, जब तक थी सांस लड़े वो, फिर अपनी लाश बिछा दी, संगीन पे रख कर धारा, सो गए अमर बलिदानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी, है मेरे वतन के लोगों, जरा आँख में भर लो पानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी।
दुनिया के लोगों, ऊंची आवाज करो, गाओ खुशी के गीत, उसका गुणगान करो, इबादत करो उसकी, इबादत करो, इबादत करो उसकी, इबादत करो, याद रखो कि वहाँ एक खुदा है, हमको ये जीवन रब का शुक्र करो, ऊंची आवाज करो, गाओ खुशी के गीत, उसका गुणगान करो, इबादत करो उसकी, इबादत करो, इबादत करो उसकी, इबादत करो, इबादत करो उसकी, इबादत करो। थैंक यू।
तेरी सांसों पे थोड़ा सा वतन का भी हक था, ना देख मुझे यूं मुड़ मुड़ के, तेरा मेरा साथ यही तक था। ये तेरी ज़मीं तेरे खून से ही तो सजती संवरती है रांझे, तेरे इश्क की मैं हकदार नहीं, तेरी हीर तो धरती है रांझे। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के, मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू।